My name is Catalina, and tonight I will be performing an original piece, which I call Caged Bird, as recently I started reading I Don't Know, or I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. It's a beautiful book. I felt very inspired by it. And this is actually my first time ever writing a song, so it's very new to me, but I loved it, and it's definitely something that I'd like to continue doing. So it's really thanks to this wonderful institute that led me to believe that I could even do that. So yeah, here is Caged Bird. And how will the world keep turning for us when its meadows and ponds are collecting in dust? Tempted to stop in your path, the freedom within you must forge until last. So now I know why the caged bird sings to